sawo hadu cloud mazariao mazarze azna sawo point no saya hadu cloud ke thanya khosni counter karen dormitory tui pazaiki ke sokem sa chini list ke abuno pa ration project ke so kaba zai ke so hat mung thang ya ration jungno talha ni je chino ya doi sesko setsi ke setsi je chino ya doi abu packing ko ya o mui ya e abuno tau S.D.M ke saha now not in the night. In Keba, no Maya Kapusani. That was Halek, didn't see the night Keba. In two group Bang Maya, song last year. Ska, song Seria, I get a water, Cynic Park, Hamkake, upon my idea. Bron CM and your lord, your name crap, I don't think I'll do it. Yeah, Arabia, I don't say no yet to wait on money here. Dormitory, whatever. Karen, for your night. Abo dormitory wala tu asma chino ligo, chino ligo, stoino ligo, doi ligo. Ketsa nele mato, ze free of cost. Mi ako ang diniwa se tau ko tau tu ligo, do diniwa pok pai pemse. Mai kesam meeting le pemse, pantau, som dermai pa lok khatahani weekly sini aluno dia. Mai kita ugo sahar na mula ramai pun ini. Na katong ke rampula di tongba. Abre na isase. Mui pai mokhe ham yama ko tong phiu kama ko tong phiu ska ba mui chokuti nei tong be mai chai to to nai khau ri sumpa anu he ta wa jang madam ko sa chine meeting mo sawo je 31st was ju yong ya mi khe chamu ma ko ri nai akhe ang te sing chu mokhe bro wai buk jera wo sa so to nei ye ro ham sa chine na proposal dai bro ang ko mai mokhe 262. Zamnoi put hamle. No, a cobra by Sane Brahman now. Zamnoi put hamkenoi. Zamnoi put hamkenoi, what is upload the other. And then blood the ally, you can look high. It's a story, I brought down you want to go on.
Okay, I'm telling you about that. So, about 262 old racing is about.
How do you know?
Old racing by the Mao split, the Milky 408 second, Parata, one Busarato, and then this remote. In Kia Boran, single to not plot was to active to my moke 112 report. Okay, the Hafsa said to Semani, 100 minutes to not plot by Serbia team row. In Kabuto in Lugo Brothers, you see, to Siamas Serbia team row, why you say, a bookcase of course, Molatane 20 Boron of you, so course. In Cabro, to Christian Lugo Brother, Siakabo S.D.M. Sarzoponzo, Kazan, Kipeke, Topaboto, 62 already, resoning Rono, Plotman, near Boy Paya, Rotono, and Tasomani, Serbia.
I was surveillance for
Zeto Assistant.
Did you talk sooner?
With Oraro to Penana, Ham, Parat,
Salene say, but when I brought the Koi from Pata.
About he said in a bro, Hoptima was a main problem in Borontis.
Main problem now, sir.
Borontis.
Main problem care, the Zamri good ham can walk, the Zahanu Chin care, my beha.
About split, including split.
Split at Asakodi, Zenam the Mua, the Zamri good ham can walk. Solkani Sabo, Zahak and Chineke, repair her. Care about repair one now is a workload number the my bike care.
Abokota or Hoptimas Pataki, Tapuni, Taro Climate on Hio. Climate to Hio,
about Takuni, Tom Kuni, plot number little the yam. None of your payment there.
Molunga, okay,
no, your payment. Zahan, you know, your payment, look to get Salino. The ration is split in Tasakodi, Puila was Zamri good have looked in the wall. No, Zaga, Moke, Zahan looked in the net. I was Hadi, I was then I'm from Zahan looked in the wall. Tang ni juai mo juai ya, Zahan looked in the pa, Hana not Zaga Munga, Poke Sabi, or Boninu Thai, in the number of
Nãy giờ kia này.
Ba lo Zahan chỉ nó đi bay bỏ. Cái tay cụ nó sắm mó, abo Zahan chỉ nó có thể ya cái mà lên nó chỉ cả đi. Now ni clapping yama di neo lunga lung su tu ho pai tu na ko lung si ka pi. Tao bra le no khol pe ba so stang tung is tao. Som ni ba na chu ba ni tan sa.
48
Again, oh ando 260 means
Look, number kaya
262 got money and it was proposed from Hamza. And God were given 112. Means procedurally and by any way. Then another 140, the remaining one, do they prepare for them? Means out of 262, 112 is already provided. Okay, then 140 is the remaining, the rest number are still they have to prepare for them. What is the procedure?
Initially, what happened ki we got a beneficiary list along with the plot number from the three motivators from this Hamsa. So accordingly, beneficiary wise we have prepared the plot chart. So as you know, the 262 residing families and 146 split families altogether 408. Out of that, we could distribute close 60 something for Hamsa Para plot, including residing. So as on date, since all the plots are marked, but we have already distributed through motivators, but as on date, only 112 beneficiaries were accepted their plot.
Okay.
Still, there are few plots already above 100. It is already marked against the beneficiaries, but they are yet to approach and accept the plot. That is the concept.
It means it is given the responsibility to the motivator.
Yes.
Ke ba nang news le. No se plot ba ko no se dai to ke ba ya de to le ke. Sa di ke to ma problem to. No se abu no se number mo di ke su le ke dong sa le.
Abu mak parse.
Sa ga di.
So siaman se ada plot wise. Cuma siaman se ada jaga se surveyor team ro se plot kiye arti ham kon kha bro jaga ni to siaman se report yo bro. Abu se.
Abu no nrau mau mi sia o. Abu sia ba ke kha mo ke sa upload abu pa sia de ke nrau.
Abu no to jun je active tu sikru mono 112 jun sikru hotel ba kile tule sia no ha. Abu se. Sai sab se.
Hari 112, 262, 112 le bro money ai sa do. 262 le pa ri pe mo de ke.
Iya boleh.
Iya boleh.
Wah ke. Ke 340 le dia ya kon se ko ne.
Cuma sediaman saya berapa aku makan saya sedang borong juga kok bicycle kok masuk ke ini
Means without any witnessing or without any knowledge the surveyor used to do this. What is the process? I don't understand the process.
ऐसा कुछ ये हुआ था, ये समझ में गलत हो गया। मैंने पहले ही बोला था कि मोटिवेटर वाइज काउंटर ने प्लॉट मार्किंग करके दिया सबको। उन बेनिफिशियरी के कौन प्लॉट नंबर आया वो ऑलरेडी लिस्ट हो गया था। हाँ, अब आज तक एस ऑन डेट ओनली 112 बेनिफिशियरी वहाँ जाके अपना प्लॉट एक्सेप्ट किया। बाकी और भी प्लॉट है उन बेनिफिशियरी के अगेंस्ट किसका प्लॉट नंबर आया वो जाके एक्सेप्ट करना बाकी है। अगर आप जाएंगे तो आपका प्लॉट मालूम हो जाएगा। ये ऑलरेडी फिक्स तय किया गया है। That is my request. You go and accept your plots. Plots are already there. It is already marked against your name. So that is the cooperation we are looking from this camp. That is what I want to say.
Saya aku accept yang mulai lo gak mau mau accept nanti.
Belum ramai saya ko bar request yo ke bo asis sungno plot measurement ke ko tau si report ni ko tau si sarko no ko report to sai harun ke asis sung pun la ko plot measurement bar sa am abong ke bro junto ta tak ke mai tomo ek shot ba tino tu si yo boleh na ake 262 dimisio bar kita di plot kelai se brau asis sung plot dan sarsono dia apor di sini plot siap yang tak ai plot mai kan siap je hamsa para progress hei apor saya sudah plot selai so tu na tu kita buktinya dia pa ha plot boy ini tak boro buk paham korek upo plot singa asis pa siap nai cakka tinggal di siga ya asis pa na bini kau kima baik sarsono ini ang samo bono bidang Bro, kayo sarboy bro, sarboy team bro, kayo cuma somai camping ba. Aron ke, somai ke sarboy kai ring tong saya bro, le plot le u kene ta sarboy ke di ta sarboy ye report hilang ba samli sarno no ko. Bro ni galak se, no kipu abu na report di teka, bui. Jini ko kle plot se mai ya hate sia. Bo se chana ga bo. Ang ba asi suno bo de kyun bar sarle. Bo se.
Just simple point I want to add here. Initially, when the plot was marked, it was around dry season. So what happened? It was barren land. They could mark easily. Now what happened? Due to this rainy season, some grass has grown up. Now it is very difficult to identify the plot. In that, for that only we need JCBs and all. Once it is clear, you will able to identify the plot exactly where it is located. So my request is just go and see your plot. If it is suitable, you construct it. Otherwise, if any issue arises like longer land, longer table, water is it will be seepage, water will be seepaging. So in that case, you just identify. I am not agreeing this. I am not agreeing to accept this plot. You just might identify. We understand your problem, but my request is that please go and accept your plots. Already identified against your name.
Okay, from our experience, I want to say, Tahsildar, their group are verifying the places. Then first they mark the plot serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 100 or up to it means 300. Then we distribute group wise. Who has to be staying group lead. Then among us we distribute my group, this group, his group, then 10, 15 group. Then we give their plots. We give their plots, then they also chosen one their plot. Then after verifying they give the complaint. But here how they are processing, I don't know. They have to take their plots, then after verifying complaint should be made. But without knowledge, without taking any, they should not give any, it means simply allegation. But my request is, without their knowledge, do they give the plots or not? This is also one kind of the
Let me
question.
add one thing because I was here from the beginning.
Yes.
What happened? The survey team made the survey of the land and they did the plotting.
Okay.
Wherever it's possible to plot, leaving the too much longer area and the massive land, they left those and they started plotting 512 plots were plotted in the map.
512, no?
512 plots were plotted, but ultimately some of the land were affected because we had started making internal roads. Then dormitories were started coming. So that way some of the good plots were also like disturbed.
Okay.
Then out of that, what we did is, we called a meeting like this in Moipukchora, where we wanted to discuss how to distribute the plots. We understood, we also considered that there will be many people who would like to live with their near and dear ones. Say a brother will want to live with his another brother, a parent will want to live with his son. So instead of mixing up, we thought it will be a lottery system, we wanted to do it, like whatever plot you pick, you will go to that plot. But later, when we like taking into consideration your demand also and also like our